If you already have a project in your local storage and you want to put that to GitHub, there are very few basic simple steps that you can do. You just need to go to the current repository. There will see an option of add. Here you can click onto the create new repo, and you need to give the folder a name and choose the path of the folder, the project. Once you see the SS library logs these folder, you can select the path, and in the git ignore I'm going to select the unity and initialize this repository with a readme file, and this folder is basically created into that location. Now there's going to be like publish the repository, and it's optional whether you want to keep this code private or public. And here in the view section, I'm going to go into the repository and I'm going to view this repository in the Explorer. So I want this git file must be inside the photo. In the git, all the files must be at the root of the folder where your assets file and project. So I just copied all these files and put outside the folder, and you can see there are almost 380 changes that we can see here. So in the commit section, you can type like what are these settings, whatever the commit, and the description is optional. Now it says me that your branch is up to date, but they're untracked file. So for that, git bash is the option. You can type here that git add what type of files you're adding, whether it's assets package or the project .vs config or assets. First I'm going to type the assets. It's saying that the LF will be replaced by CRLF, and once everything is done, yep, you can close that and you can commit the assets. Now it's going to take all the assets file and it's committing that to your main branch. Now the second command that I'm going to give here is the packages. And then the project settings. Make sure that there isn't any space between the project settings, so that's the issue. Same. Now in this commit, it's going to select all the packages, project settings files, and it's going to commit them to main, and then I'm going to click on the push, and then the packages. It's also case sensitive. You're supposed to type, before I type git add packages with a small p, and at this time I'm going to type with the capital P, and let's see if it's going to. Okay, there is supposed to be a space between git add .vsconfig. And last is the packages file. So this is how you can simply add your existing project to the GitHub.